I'm ready to try this thing. So this has multiple speeds. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Turn it on. See that little LED light right there? Whoa. That thing pumps out some air. That's crazy. They claim you could double this as an inflator, and I do not doubt it. Like, throw this bad boy on. Whoa. Throw this bad boy on and do some inflating. Just put that in your thing. Emergency hair dryer without the heat. Yeah. Wow. I want to try it with this brush thing on it. I would actually love to use this in my car. I just wish there was a vacuum, because in the car it just blows it everywhere. Here you don't care because it's gonna go on the carpet and I'm gonna vacuum the carpet. But like, you can use this even without the air. It's got all these different nozzles to choose from. And you don't have to look like a super dork. I mean, yeah, you're gonna look kind of dorky using this, but you don't have a can of compressed air. 1998 style. No, you're gonna be like, boom, sucker. Boom, sucker. Boom, sucker. Ooh, yeah, I'm hot. This feels great. So if you need it, get it. And you're going to be happy you did. You just are.